Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD.com Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'll show you the best online payment method that you can use right now on JD Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo IDFish or JD shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund a Alipay account on your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our JD shopping app. After you open up your JD shopping app, next thing you want to do is to search for a product from different store right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this jacket right here. So this jacket here is about 84 yen. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on the product link. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link right here. And go ahead and click on the link right here. Now you are here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Then here, select as many as possible color and sizes you want from the bottom right here. So let's, for instance, I need this particular black color right here, and I need this size 2XL. Then I need just one pieces, and I go ahead and click on checkout right here. All right, so from the checkout option right here, scroll down right here, and then what you want to do here is to switch to online payment options. Go ahead and click on here. Now, when you get here, go ahead and click on here. Make sure this is selected and go ahead and click on here. Now, it will automatically redirect you to online payment while you are still maintaining the same fee for the product. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Now, from the checkout right here, you have so many means of payment option right here. Here, you have bank card payment here, which is for Chinese. You have another Chinese bank card right here. So alternatively, if you do not have any of the options right here, you can go and add your international bank card right here. So simply click on here. Then this is going to pump up right here. Then you can scroll down right here and check the list of different banks available right here. So if you find your bank right here, go ahead and select your bank. And once you select your bank, you'll be asked to enter your bank card detail. So go ahead and enter your bank card detail and use it to payment. Alternatively, if you cannot find your bank card right here, so go back right here. Go back right here and then make use of WeChat wallet right here. So for that, go ahead and select WeChat. So when you select, you can see WeChat is being selected. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and make payment to the store using your WeChat. It's that simple. So this is the best online payment option for JD shopping app. If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship, import products from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.